I totally messed up. On Friday, when we discussed about the 15-minute declutter on day 10 of the FlyLady Baby Step Challenge, I forgot to tell you something super critical. Stick around to the end to hear what that is. But for today, we're going to talk about day 11 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, and that is to declutter email. Digital clutter is still clutter. So we're going to set a timer for 15 minutes and get on with those emails that no longer serve us. Our emails are not a storage center, but I understand that it can get overwhelming. So every day for 15 minutes, we're going to take some time and declutter. Write that down on your sheet. And if you don't have your tracker, get it down below and be sure to write that down there. And for the 15-minute declutter, I forgot to say that the first day of the declutter, we were supposed to focus on any trash if there's any, but it's okay. Onward and upward. However, what I cannot leave without telling you is that after our 15 minutes are done, we throw away our trash, get our donates into our vehicles, and if we don't have one, put it by the front door, and put the things away, both in the rooms that do belong and they don't belong. We are to now restart our timer for 15 minutes and rest for 15 minutes, okay? I'm still working on this one too, clearly. Rest is critical. We can't pour from an empty cup. So be sure that you're doing this every single day. Even as little as 15 minutes can make a drastic difference. Be sure to get those freebies down below. Join the community if you haven't done so already. It's only $10 or $20, depending on how deep you want to go. If you're interested in accountability, exclusive content, monthly challenges, and much, much more. Feel free to check it out if you're interested, and I can't wait to see you there. So let's hold each other accountable and make sure we do that. Write that in your tracker down as well. And every single day, we're going to be shining our sinks, dressing tissues, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a 15-minute declutter, and a 15-minute rest. And we're also going to be saying kind words to ourselves all day. By the way, this week we are on zone 4. Zone 4 is our bedrooms, the master bedrooms, master bath, and master closet if you have one as well. So go around your room 15 minutes every single day. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow for day 12 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.